Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, or in this case unbagging, of a TEMU 18-inch B20 cymbal, hand-hammered cymbal. This is how they show up on your porch. They just toss this on your porch in this bag. And there's another bag on the inside of it. And that's what I got. I think I paid a little over $100 for this on sale. And this is of course, a TEMU 18-inch. I would probably call this a crash ride cymbal, but I'm going to put it on the set here and we'll check it out. It's pretty crude in my opinion. I'm probably going to return it, but for $100, not bad. It might be good for jazz. I'm not sure, but kind of dark, kind of crudely hammered, but it's pretty cool. And that's it. Thanks.